Hello everybody, this is Itay Verchik, and on this guide I'm going to show you and teach you how to use Zapier for automations when you get Facebook leads to send it to the email and also to the Google Sheets you want. 2 actions will be from 1 lead on this guide. Okay, so first of all, in order to manage the automations between Facebook leads to whatever you want, you have to sign up to Zapier or whatever kind of system you want for the automations and upgrade to the premium package. Now, after you've done that, you sign in and create a new Zap right here. You search the app Facebook and see the first one is Facebook Lead Ads. I click on that and create an event that is a new lead. For every new lead, I will create this automation. After you connected the Facebook Ads Manager to this app, which is zapier.com, you continue and choose your page. For an example, I choose my own page and I will choose the form that were created on the same page. Let's say, for an example, this first one. Now I test the trigger to see if the connection is correct. I can see this demo lead that is connected to the Facebook leads. Now I can connect it to whatever kind of automation I want. If the trigger happens, I can send the Gmail, so I choose this, and send email event. Now I click on continue, I choose and connect the Gmail, continue again, and now I can send to whatever mail I want every lead that is coming from the campaign. I can also CC more emails or BCC anonymous emails that won't see the other emails. So everyone that gets the email will not see who else is getting it. The form can be whatever mail you want, and the form name can also be whatever name you want. So I will just write my own name because I get it for myself, and I can reply to, let's say, for an example, my business email. Now the subject can be Facebook leads or whatever subject you want. You can choose the title. The body has to contain the parameters that are coming from the form. So let's say the created date gets this parameter. The full name gets the full name parameter, and the phone gets the phone parameter. Now this is dynamic, so every lead has its own name and created time and phone parameter. Now this form doesn't have email field, so I don't require that. Signature, I can choose if I want to put my own signature on the email, and that's it. I can continue, test the action, and see if I get the mail. So as you can see, I got the mail and the lead with all the details. Now I can choose to publish the Zap and finish here, or to add another action that will appear after the Facebook lead got in. Now I want to put it on my Google Sheets, so I choose the Google Sheets app. The event is create a new spreadsheet row. So every lead will get his own row on the spreadsheet. Now I choose to connect my Google Drive and continue. The drive is of course my Google Drive. And the spreadsheet will be the Google Sheets I created for this kind of leads I want to get. So let's choose, for an example, my own spreadsheet for this one and choose this worksheet leads, which is in Hebrew. Now I get to insert the parameters for the full name right here, for the phone right here. I have a column for each parameter. The email is not required right here because the form doesn't have this field, and the created time field will be inserted right here. I can add a custom column, source, Facebook, write it here, so every lead will have the same source, and more details will be, let's say, hot lead, because it's a new lead or new lead, whatever I want. Every lead will get this on this column. Now continue and test the action to see if it works. So it says it works. Right here I can see that this new lead got in and it works. So it's very easy to use Zapier for automations. If you have any more questions, you can write down on the comments below and I will comment. and on the first comment I'm putting the link to my full guide on my website. And if you like this video, you can like, subscribe, comment and share, and good luck.